Hi, welcome back to Igbo Online College. My name is Edith Mobu, your favorite teacher on Igbo Online College. Today, I will be teaching you relationships, how to talk about your relationship. Alright, let's start with immediate family, that is the nuclear family. In the nuclear family, we have the father. In Igbo, father is nna, nna. So you could say, my father, nnam, my good father, ezigbo nnam. We have mother, nne. Mother is nne in Igbo. Nnem, my mother. Nnem, my mother. Ezigbo nnem, my mother. Ezinnem, my mother. Some people bear Ezinne as name. Ezinne as their names. Nneoma, good mother. Some people bear it as their names. Ezinnem, Nnemoma, my good mother. Then we have the children. One child. Nwa. Nwa is child. Nwa could also mean baby, newborn baby, nwa. Depending on the context in which you are talking about, nwa could mean child or baby. We also call baby tata. When you say tata, you are referring to baby, a baby. That is why at times when we want to sing lullaby for babies, we say tatando, 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 tatando. Tata is baby. Then we have the plural form of nwa. Omu. Omu is the plural form of nwa. Omu is children. Children. So you could say nwam, my child. Omum, my children. Ezigbo nwam, my good child. Ezigbo omum, my good children. Umumunnon, my children, welcome. Nwamunno, my child, welcome. Then we have siblings. Nwanne, a sibling. Umunne, siblings. Nwannem, my sibling. Nwannem nwoke, my brother. Nwannem nwanyi, my sister. Umunnem nwoke, my brothers. Umunnem nwanyi, my sisters. That is about the nuclear family. Now, in a family where they have servants, we will now have odibo. Odibo. We have nwaneku. Odibo is for the male. Nwaneku is for the female. Nwaneku could serve as house help. Odibo is servant. Servants. Odibo. I hope that is clear enough. Alright, to the extended family, we have on the mother's side, you have ndị nna ochie. Now, your mother's place in Igbo, we say ikwunne, ikwunne, ikwunne. Your mother's place is ikwunne. Your father's place is ikwunna. Now, in your mother's place, the males, they are nna ochie. Nna ochie means old father, but that is just the term. Nna ochie. If you see somebody from your mother's place, you could say ọkwa nna m ochie. This is my mother's brother. Now, if it is a woman, nne ochie, nne ochie. For your father's people, you say nwanne nnam, umunne nnam. Nwanne nnam, umunne nnam. You could say that. We now have what we call umunna, the kindred. Umunna, the kinsmen. Umunna, kinsmen. Why are they called umunna? They are called so because they originate from a father. They now start to get married, have their separate families. So that is why they are called umunna. Umu is children. Nna is father. Umunna. So you could say Umunnam, my kinsman. Umunnam, my kinsman. Umunnan, our kinsman. Alright, now where it's confusing is when you want to say my uncle, my niece, my nephew, my auntie, my cousin. Now, these things are described in Igbo. For example, you want to say your uncle. If you just describe it, nwannem, I want to quickly tell you that in Igbo culture, so far you have blood relationship with anybody, the person addresses you as nwannem, my siblings, sorry. The person addresses you as my sibling. You are the person's blood. The person sees you as his or her sibling. As such, you could hear somebody say okwanwannem, and the person he or she is telling you that okwanwannem is from his mother's village or his father's village, not even a direct family. That is how we are. We are Igbo people, and this is how we see life. Anybody that have a blood tie with us. In fact, it even goes far as saying that the person from the same village with you, Bonwanegi, your brother, your sister, if they see in another state, in another land, they will see themselves as one. So you could see somebody that, in fact, you can even see somebody from an Igbo person abroad, and they will say, oh, one name, he or she, this is my sister, oh, one name. Now, but when you really want to express, tell somebody about the relationship, how are you related, how you are related with this person or that person, apart from the general sense of one name, whether you're from the same village, from the same state, or an Igbo person. Apart from that, when you now want to narrow it down that this one is really related to you, you describe it. How? You say nwannem, my father's brother or sister. Nwannem, my mother's brother or sister. You can now go ahead to say nwannem nke nwanyị, my mother's sister. You can say nwannem nwanyị, my father's sister. You describe these things. Nwannem, my father's sister or brother. Nwannem, my father's sister or brother. Grandfather, nnukwu nnam. Some people say nnukwu nna, some people say nna ochie. It depends on whatever you call, but you could say nnukwu nna, nnukwu nnam, my big father. And in some settings in Igbo, when the family live together, I mean the grandfather, the grandmother, and the parents of the children, you see the grandmother calling the mother of the children obelenne. So you could say nnukwu nna, nnukwu nne. Some dialects say mma anyị ochie, mma ochie, mama ochie, papa ochie. Papa is father, mama is mother. Papa ochie, mama ochie. They both mean grandfather. Even great grandfather and mother, they are still addressed as nnukwu nna, nnukwu nne, mama ochie, papa ochie. So it depends on what you call, what you choose to say or to call your grandparents. Now, if you want to say great grand, you describe it that they are onye mụtalụ mama gị. Onye mụta, the person that gave birth to the person that gave birth. That is how you describe it. Igbo is not complicated. We are simply ourselves. We see everybody. We see everybody as our brother, our sister. I hope you have learned one or two things how to express relationships. Apart from having blood relationships, you could have other relationships. Example, any friend, any nwanyi, my girlfriend, any nwoke, my boyfriend. Together, any nwanyi, any nwoke. Uche bụ enyi m nwanyi. Uche is my girlfriend. Uche bụ enyi m nwanyi. Uche is my girlfriend. Uche bụ enyi m nwoke. Uche is my boyfriend. If Uche is a boy. If Uche is a girl, you say Uche bụ enyi m nwanyi. Uche bụ enyi m nwoke. Whatever the person bears as a name, you can add that and say enyi nwoke or nwanyi for female. Nwanyi is female, nwoke male. Alright, we also have husband and wife. Husband is di, wife is nwunye. Nwunye m, my wife. Dim, my husband. Nkechi bụ nwunye m. Emmanuel bụ di m. Alright, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if that was helpful, and please remember to subscribe if you've not done so, and share my videos with your friends and family. Deme daalụ ka ọ dị.